In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under meaning and types of money. We have about 14 to 16 questions in practice. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, money involved from the use of this object except we have banknotes, bank draft, abacus, precious metal. The right answer is option C, abacus and exception. Next question is this one. It says, a form of money which was not used in the early days of trade is metal bars, tobacco, cowries, coins. The right answer is option D, coins. Next question. A form of money that has gone out of use is white paper money, bank money, commodity money, foreign money. Right answer is option C, commodity money. Very important. Next question. The following development of money have therefore been the use of except inconvertible paper money, coins, commodities, abacus. The right answer is option D, abacus. This is an exception. Next question. Modern means of payment is greatly facilitated by e-banking. Option C. Next question. Money can simply be referred to as durable asset for doing business, standard of value, medium of exchange, means for the settlement of debts. The right answer is option C, medium of exchange. Next question. Money can simply be referred to as durable asset for doing business, standard of value, means of settlement, measure of value. The right answer here is option D, measure of value. Next question. A credit instrument which also serves as a legal tender is money order, check, voucher, paper money. So the right answer is option D, paper money. Next question. The central bank controls the quantity of money in circulation through increasing the tax rate, issuing new currency, decreasing the tax rate, open market operation. Very important. The right answer is option D, open market operation. Next question. Money can simply be referred to as measure of value, durable asset. This is a repeated question, guys. So the right answer here is option A, measure of value. Next question. Money involved from the use of this object except. This is a repeated question as well. The exception is abacus, option B. Next question. A form of money with a face value which is greater than the value of the metal content is you have token money, banknotes, commodity money, legal tender. The right answer is option A, token money. Next question. Money is generally acceptable for transaction due to the legal backing. That's the answer, option A. Okay, next question is one. The article used as a means of exchange in the early days of trade in West Africa was we have cedis, naira, dollar, Z, cowrie. Right answer is option D, cowrie. The last question for end this video, this one, it says, which of the following asset is the most liquid? Consumer loans, Nigerian government securities, fiscal capital, provincial municipal security. The right answer is option B, Nigerian government security. So guys, this is basically you can do problems involving meaning and types of money for your JAMB commerce practice with about 14 to 16 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button where we're getting premium information. I help you to sell in your snail exam like a JAMB and other snail exam you're writing. Okay, having done this, click the link above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.